It's Jason Verlinde with Verlinde Insurance coming to you again in regards to the auto insurance reform that is mainly starting to affect everyone in July of this year. But today, being Valentine's Day, I thought it'd be a perfect time to update you on a portion of the law that actually is mostly already in effect. Depending on the carrier that your auto insurance with is the asterisk, but most of them have already moved to this. But for sure, after July 1st, this will be in effect for everyone. And it is in regards to the personal injury protection order of priority. And why is it important on Valentine's Day? If you maybe proposed to your Valentine today and decided to live together, yet before you are married, this could be of significance. It is also of significance if you have a child that has one of your vehicles that you are insuring, but that child no longer lives at home and has the vehicle at a different address. So up until this change, the injury protection order of priority was a lot longer than it is now. You'll see here there's only three levels right now. But basically before, you would drill down all kinds of levels, and eventually everyone that was injured would land at a place where they would be assigned and everyone would get unlimited medical coverage. But now that is no longer true. When you are injured in an auto accident, the first thing we look at is, are you a named insured on an auto policy? In other words, do you have a policy with your name and address bolded on the top? If the answer to that question is no, it drops down and it looks to see if you are a resident relative. Do you live with someone who you are related to, a spouse, a mother, a father, a grandmother, a brother, or a sister, and they have an auto insurance policy? If that answer is yes, you get your injury, your medical bills paid by their policy. If the answer is no, you drop down and you have to file a claim with the Michigan Assigned Claims Plan. And the maximum reimbursement for your injuries, including attendant care if necessary, would be $250,000. So now is just a good time if you're living with a life partner, but all the vehicles are titled in your name and not the partner's, and you're the only person that is listed as a named insured on that policy, you need to call your insurance agent. There are things that we can do to correct it. Or if you are nice enough to have a child that has grown and moved on and has a new residence somewhere else, but you're letting them use one of your vehicles, there is an issue if they are injured. They would fall down to this assigned claims plan. Again, just one of the many, many changes that are coming down the pipe in July. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us and we can do our best to answer them. Thanks. Have a great day.